Namaskar, I am Akhil Srivastav and I welcome you all in the weekly weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. In this weekly weather briefing, we will see how was the weather during past 1 week and what we expect in weather in coming next 2 weeks. If we see the main weather highlights for the past week, you all know the severe cyclone storm Mizoram. It made landfall in the South Andhra Pradesh coast between Nellore and Machilipatnam close to the south of Bapatla during 12:30 to 14:30 hours IST of 5th of December as a severe cyclonic storm with the sustained wind speed of 90 to 100 km per hour. Under its impact, there was extremely heavy rainfall which was reported at isolated places over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Yanam and Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal 2 days each, and over Telangana and Rayalaseema on 1 day each during past 1 week. If we talk about heavy to very heavy rainfall, then it occurred at isolated places over Andaman Nicobar Islands, Rayalaseema and Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal on 2 days each, and over coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam on 1 day during the week. If we talk about heavy rain, then it occurred at isolated places over Kerala and Mahai on 3 days, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal on 2 days, and in the northwest parts of the country over Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, in central parts Madhya Pradesh and south parts coastal Andhra Pradesh, Yanam and North Indian Karnataka during 1 day in the past 1 week. If we see the main weather systems which impacted the Indian region during 30th November to 6th December, then as I told you, we can see on the right hand side, it's showing you the entire life cycle of severe cyclonic storm Mizoram. On 1st of December, it lay centered over southeast Bay of Bengal as a depression, and it became a cyclonic storm on 00 UTC, that is around 5:30 hours IST of 3rd of December. And then it further intensified and became a severe cyclonic storm around 6 UTC, that is around noon of 4th of December in the west central Bay of Bengal and adjoining southwest Bay of Bengal. Then it made landfall as already shown in the previous slide around 12:30 to 2:30 hours IST on 5th of December close to the south of Bapatla, and then it further moved northwards and finally became well marked low pressure area around morning hours, that is around 3 UTC, that is 8:30 hours IST of 6th of December. On my left hand side, if you see, it's showing the all other synoptic features which impacted India during past 1 week. We can see that there was western disturbance on 30th of November, and it was it moved towards Indian region and it was located over northern parts of the country on 1st of December. Also, there was western disturbance over 3rd of December over central parts of Pakistan. It moved over the western parts of Rajasthan on 4th of December, hovered around this region and was situated over northern parts of Rajasthan on 6th of December. Apart from that, there was cyclone circulation in northern parts of Arabian Sea and a trough from this cyclone circulation to southeast Madhya Pradesh on 1st of December. So these are the main weather features which impacted India during past 1 week, that is between 30th of November and 6th of December 2023. If we see the main weather event, that is the rainfall, which was realized during past 1 week because of these systems, then on the right hand side, you can see this is showing us the cumulative rainfall activity during past 7 days, that is from 30th of November to 8:30 hours IST of 7th of December. You can see there was a good amount of rainfall activity situated over the country. In the northern parts, it was and central part was largely because of the western disturbance, and in the southern parts, eastern coastal parts, it was largely because of the severe cyclone storm Mizoram. If we see the heavy rainfall regions, then you can see there was 1 day we observed heavy rainfall in the Haryana Chandigarh region, and in the other parts you can see with the dates it is shown where all we have seen the heavy rainfall activity. So if we can find out that in the coastal Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Rayalaseema, there was heavy rainfall activity reported during different days of the week. In coastal Andhra Pradesh, in the 4 days, heavy rainfall activity was reported, whereas in Rayalaseema 4 days, Tamil Nadu 5 to 6 days, heavy rainfall activity or above rainfall activity was reported. Heavy rainfall activity means when we receive more than 64.5 mm rainfall in any 24 hours period. If we talk about extremely heavy rainfall activity, then you can see over here that in coastal Andhra Pradesh on 5th and 6th, extremely heavy rainfall activity was reported, whereas in Tamil Nadu on 4th and 5th, extremely heavy rainfall was reported. Whereas if we talk about Telangana, then on 6th December, extremely heavy rainfall was reported, and in Rayalaseema again, extremely heavy rainfall was reported on 5th of December. If we see the value wise, then you can say in the top part, it is showing the extremely heavy rainfall which is reported in southern parts of the country as reported on 8:30 hours IST 5th of December. Then in Tamil Nadu, the highest rainfall was reported in district Tiruvallur in Punamalli, 34 centimeter in 24 hours period. In coastal Andhra Pradesh, 22 centimeter. In Rayalaseema, it was Gudur in district Tirupati, that is 28 centimeter on 5th of December. If we talk about 6th of December, then in Telangana, in Kottagudem district, 34 centimeter rainfall was reported, and in coastal Andhra Pradesh, in Eluru district, 24 centimeter rainfall was reported at 8:30 hours IST of 6th of December. If we see the overall situation of the rainfall during last week, and of course in the season that is starting from 1st October through 6th of December, then in these two maps they are showing the subdivision wise situation of the rainfall. If we see the first map, this is showing the subdivision rainfall map for the week, that is from 30th November to 6th of December. It is showing the blue areas. As you can see, they are all showing the large axis where the rainfall has been more than what is normally seen in the as per the climatological records. So we can see that as per the table, the week we had got approximately 362% more rainfall as a country as a whole for the last week. That means during 30th November to 6th of December, because of the system which has made landfall, also because of western disturbance, overall in the country we received 362% excess rainfall activity. And if we talk about the entire season, that is from 1st October to 6th of December, then overall as a region, still the rainfall is in the lower side. Still it is -8% departure scene. That means the rainfall for the season from 1st October to 6th of December, it is -8% as compared to the normal rainfall. In terms of values, it is 99.3 millimeter of rainfall against 107.9 millimeter of rainfall which is expected during this period. If we talk about the today's situation, that is synoptic conditions which are impacting India today, then we can see that there is a western disturbance in the northern parts of the country and a cyclonic circulation. Also there is a cyclonic circulation in the southern parts of the Chhattisgarh. There is also a cyclonic circulation in the Arabian Sea, South Arabian Sea. Under the influence of these systems, these are the warning maps for the next 5 days. We can see that the heavy rainfall activity is expected on 7th, that is today, in the northeastern parts of the country, that is Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. Tomorrow it is expected in southern parts, that is Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Lakshadweep, and again on 9th it is expected in the southern part, that is Tamil Nadu and Kerala. That means heavy rainfall activity is expected in the southern parts on 8th and 9th, and in the northeastern parts today. Also, as you know, the winter season has been coming and temperatures going down. We have also issued the fog warning. That means there may be some reduction in the visibility, and dense fog is very likely in isolated pockets over Haryana and Punjab for today and tomorrow. And from 9th onwards, we are expecting the dense fog to be seen over northeastern parts of the country, that is your Assam, Meghalaya, and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. If we talk about the rainfall forecast for the next 2 weeks, then these are the maps which are taken from the IMD's extended range forecast system. The upper panel, it is showing us the forecasted amount of rainfall from the model, and the below panel, this is showing the anomaly, that is the difference from the forecasted rainfall and what is the normal amount of rainfall expected in these two particular weeks. So you can see in the first map, the rainfall is shown in the southern parts of the country, that is Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and some parts of the Karnataka, also in some parts of the eastern parts of the country, and in the northeastern states. So as we have already seen, with the help of warning also, we have issued the warning for the southern parts of the country for tomorrow and day after tomorrow, and over northeastern parts of the country for today. The same can be seen with the help of the anomaly map, where you can see that above normal rainfall is shown for the northeastern parts of the country and southern parts of the country. If we talk about week 2, then week 2 also we can see that the rainfall is largely concentrated in the southern parts of the country, and this anomaly is also showing a positive anomaly, that means above normal rainfall activity over the southern parts of the country. So overall what we are expecting is that there is no indication of western disturbance to impact the northwest parts of the country. Therefore light, moderate, scattered to fairly widespread rainfall is likely over South Peninsular India. Also isolated heavy rainfall is probable over Tamil Nadu and Kerala during some days of the week 2, and overall we can say that the rainfall is likely to be above normal over southern peninsular part of the country, and it's likely to be below normal over northern parts of the country, in the remaining parts of the country during the week 2, that is between 14th of December to 20th of December 2023. If we talk about the temperature, then during week 1, that is from 7th to 13th of December, gradual fall in minimum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade is likely over northwest India, and by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade over the eastern parts of the country during first half of the week, and no significant change thereafter. No significant change is likely over the minimum temperatures during the rest parts of the week. In this particular case also, in the upper two panels, they are showing the minimum temperature forecast from the IMD ERF model, and the below two panels, they are showing us the anomaly, that means the difference from the forecasted temperature and the normally expected temperatures over the country. So you can see over here, there is a mixed pattern. However, in the week 2, if we'll see, the minimum temperatures are expected to gradually reduce further, and we are expecting that they are likely to gradually fall over the country, and they are likely to become near normal to normal over most parts of the country, except over the western parts of the country, that is your Gujarat, over the western Himalayan region, and some parts of the southern parts of the country. So the temperatures are likely to be normal or below normal by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade, except these particular regions. If we see the situation of cyclogenesis, that means probability of formation of depression in the North Indian Ocean, then as per today's conditions, we are expecting no cyclogenesis during next 2 weeks. That means during 7th of December to 20th of December, we are not expecting any new system to intensify from up to depression or more higher category during next 2 weeks. This is the information for today. For any updated information, please visit Mizoram app, Damni app, Meghdoot app, or follow IMD's Twitter handle, X handle, Facebook, and IMD website. We will meet again next week with the similar kind of information. Till then, have good time. Namaskar. Jai Hind.